Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add more points to a shape in Photoshop. Let's get started. I already create a new layer and create any shape. First of all, I use this shape. Okay, and added point. Click the pen tool. Right click on your mouse. Add anchor point and click anywhere. Now see this. Show this point. Again click anywhere. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.